everybody, Brooke Tanner with Century 21 Trophy Class here, and if you're looking for a move-in, modern home in Scottville, Michigan, I have the one just for you. 104 Evans Way is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a nice open floor plan with just over 1,400 square feet. It's got the convenience of natural gas, city water and sewer, and a 2-stall detached garage. If you'd like to learn more about this home, please contact me at 231-225-1368. Thank you and have a great day.